Hey, how's it going? It's Ari here, and in this video I'm going to be giving you my updated review for the Savings Highway Global program in the month of August of 2022. I'm going to go over exactly what this program is, what you're getting when you decide to join as a member of this. I'm also going to talk about the earning benefit of this program, the earnings aspect. And then, of course, I will give you some really cool bonuses in this video when you decide to take action via the link down below. So, any point in this video, you could check the first link down below, and that will take you over to the page right here where you could simply request more information simply by opting in here. And then this video right here will pretty much explain more about all the benefits, the amazing results members are getting, and of course, all the cool epicness of this program and all the other benefits when you get signed up via this page right here, right? So I'm going to get into it real quick. If this is your first time here, go ahead, hit the subscribe button down below, tap the bell icon, and this will be notified of all future videos on this channel. I'm always releasing brand new videos. I do a lot of free trainings on this channel, so if that's something that you're interested in, you could subscribe down below, and this way you'll be able to learn exactly how I market online with these free videos on this channel right here. But let's go ahead and let's dive right in. So Savings Highway Global, what is this program and why should you of course decide to get involved with this program? So this is a savings program that allows you to save on your pretty much everyday expenses. So I'm talking things like home insurance, car insurance, shopping, computers, internet, your phone bill, laptop, internet, TV bill, all of those things. This program helps you save on, as well as travel. So if you are booking a hotel, traveling to a new destination, any of that good stuff, this program helps you to do just that. And the average person that joins this saves anywhere from, anywhere from 1,000 to 10K per year with the savings aspect alone. So what makes this program very unique with the product in and of itself is with the savings aspect alone, this isn't even including the earning benefit, which I'll get into, is with the savings aspect alone, you're already going to be offsetting the cost to join this program, which is great for you if you, of course, want more money to, let's say, invest in your business or take more vacations, be able to afford, more things. This program helps you do just that. Now, let's talk about the earning benefit of this program, right? So within my first month, so I joined this program not even a month ago, like last month actually. And within my first month, I was able to earn a little over almost $700. And keep in mind, this is monthly residual income. So although this might not look like a lot as of right now, the benefit with this is that it is something that really does build up over time. And there are members that have been able to hit six figures with this program, and well beyond that. I'm talking 5-figure months and, pretty much all that good stuff right there, which is really great in terms of, the earning aspect right there. But I want to go ahead and I want to talk about the earning aspect of this exact program and why it is worth getting into if you're someone who wants to create a full-time residual income online. So if you're someone that wants to, potentially quit their job, go full-time online, then that is exactly what this program will allow you to do, and I'll pretty much go over all that. Of course, I'm also going to get into some really cool bonuses, so if you want to simply copy my entire funnel, you could do that if you want to. You can copy my exact capture page, you can copy the sales video I'm using, you can copy the email follow-up that I'm using, as well as, you'll get some additional free training when you decide to get signed up. Which will of course help you market this program as well, which is really great. But I want to talk about the compensation plan right here, which is really lucrative. So when you get signed up, this is you right here, right? So this represents you. Basically, with this program, you have 3 different levels. You have the gold level at $20 per month, $100 per month for platinum, and then the $200 per month level for the titanium level, right? Now, when you refer, let's start with the titanium level, for example, which is the most popular level in this program, you get $100 per sale per person that you bring on, right? So you bring one member in here for $100, another one for $100, you bring in just 3 people under you, right? So this right here is $300 that you make with 3 sales, right? So pretty cool, right? Now, what makes this even better is this program offers bonuses when you come in at a higher level. So for the titanium level, for example, you refer 3 people at that level. What's really great about this is you get a $200 bonus when you bring in 3 titanium members within a month, which allows you to earn a total of $500 from just 3 sales, right? Now, currently at the time that I'm filming this video is August of 2022, and they're currently doing another bonus where, by the way, if you're watching this in August of 2022, they're doing a really cool bonus where if you refer 3 Titanium members, you actually earn up to 700 instead of 500, so it's a $400 bonus that you get instead, which is really great. And then Platinum also has a bonus as well, which is pretty much the same thing I went over, except half that, which is still really good. So that really just goes to show you really how generous this program is, and it's something that you don't really see too often in the network marketing space. Too often, right? Is when they raise their commission amounts, and that's exactly what they're doing with this month, as well as doing a whole bunch of other cool things, like giving out like $5,000 cash prizes and a whole bunch of other cool perks that you'll get as well, which, by the way, I've went over in other videos as well if you want to check them out. But as you can see, you get up to $500 in general when you refer 3 Titanium members. Now, it's even better is when you help your other members refer, you help your other team members refer members on their team, which, by the way, you don't have to worry about, teaching any of your team members yourself, because when you join via the link down below, one of the bonuses that you'll get when you partner with me is you get access to my exclusive training members site, which actually takes care of all of your members for you. So you don't have to worry about training other people when you bring them on board, because this training is created by 7-figure earners, and it really shows you exactly what to do. So this benefits you, it benefits me, it benefits your members, and it's a win-win for everyone, right? You get to learn everything from how to create short form videos, so TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, direct messaging, Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, paid traffic, all of that stuff is in here. And on top of all that, you've got the free funnel, and you have the video, which does a really great job at converting your leads into buyers, and the email follow-up is completely done for you. So when you look at all of these benefits right here, in terms of the program itself, plus the exclusive funnel and the free training, when you follow this training right here, which is created by 7-figure earners, you have no reason to fail with this program, as long as you go through the training and you take action, which I give you this entire training when you get signed up via the link down below, right? So that's a really cool benefit of when you join specifically through me down below. But anyways, yeah, so you have the bonuses, commissions, which, by the way, these bonuses are available to those who come in at the platinum level and the titanium level right here, right? So you have that, the platinum bonuses, which are half, so you get $250 per 3 members, or $350 if you're watching in the month of August. And that's really great, in terms of if you want to create a full-time residual income online. Now, when you help your other members get referrals as well, what's also really great is you also earn a percentage of their commissions as well, which is really great. And also, another reason why this is working for a lot of brand newbies is because this is a forced matrix, which means that when, let's say, for example, you join under me, right? And I, continue to refer people, to this program. What I actually do, and what I could do, is I place certain new members under different people that I've brought on board, which of course also helps you earn commissions from my efforts as well, which is really great. So it benefits me, benefits you, and it's just a really great way to build up very lucrative residual income very quickly, right? So that is really the main reason why this program is working very well for a lot of newbies. And of course, with this new training that's just recently been released, and also the free funnel, it's an absolute game changer, right? So if you're someone that really wants to create a full-time income online, and also potentially you want to save money as well, if you also want to do that, go down below to the first link, go to this page right here, this video. Once you of course go through it, you can click on this button, and then right here you could simply get signed up at one of the membership levels right here. Now, regardless of what level that you join in at, gold level, platinum, titanium, regardless of where you join, the amount of work that you'll put in is the exact same, right? It's really a matter of, do you want to get paid more or less for the amount of work that you're putting in? So the main difference between the 3 levels is that higher level that you come in at, the more savings benefits you get, the higher earning benefits that you get, and also, regardless of where you join, refer 4 members at whatever level that you come in at, and your membership is free. So for that reason, I say go straight for the titanium level, because you follow this training, you bring in just 4 people within your first month, then this is only going to be a one-time payment. You won't even have to worry about the investment, because it'll just be a one-time payment when you refer just 4 members. So, and that right there, in my experience, I was able to do that within like my first week of joining this program. As you could see right here, I was able to do that very quickly. And it's just another reason why you want to, of course, get positioned at the highest level. And also, it's also a mindset thing. When you come in at a higher level, you take it much more seriously. And based on my own experience, being a titanium member myself, and other people that have that I brought on board at this level, they always get better results with this program and anything else. You know, when you tend to have more skin in the game, you tend to take much more action. You get better results because you take it more seriously. Where if you just come in at gold, you're kind of like, I kind of want it, but not really. And then the earning potential isn't as high, which for that reason your motivation level isn't as high as well. And then you just kind of you kind of treat it like a hobby, right? So that's why I recommend coming to the highest level that you can afford. But either way, if you got lots of value in this video, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you have any questions before getting started, you could simply put them in the comments down below or text the number on screen, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. And of course, to get started, go to the link down below, get started today. And once you're on board, I will send you access to the free training, where you can get access to the free funnel, the free Facebook group, the additional weekly trainings, all that good stuff. I'll get you access to this, get you plugged in, and I will see you on the inside. Take care and all the best.